guys, it's Mike. I'm gonna make sure I got this thing turned on this time. I just recorded a whole one of these about 10 minutes ago, and yeah, I'm thinking what didn't record. It was great, so it's kind of a waste of time, waste of my time. Anyway, so I got this nice. It's a Lexus LS-400. It's a pretty nice car. You know, I got a good deal on it, and I mean everything works on it. It's a great little car. I haven't had any problems with it so far. I'm looking at about 100,000 miles on it right now, and let's see what we got here. Last time, I don't know where they are. I don't know exactly how to get to this. Here we go, odometer. There it is, 109,000 miles on it. This is what we're looking at right now. See, it's not bad. And the only problem I had with this car was I still haven't quite figured it out yet. There's an issue with it where when it rains real hard, and it would short out. I'll include a video, a clip of the video here. It's going to be right here. As you can see, the car would short out, and that would only happen when I put on the brakes. So I figured it was a water leaking in somewhere on the brake line. So not the brake line, but the one of the brake light cables coming off the fuse box going into the trunk or something. So what I did is I went through and I sealed up took silicone and I sealed it up real well around the box, around the in the trunk and above the area, any place where I thought water might leak into the trunk. And I sealed it. I put a lot of silicone in there. I probably overdid it, but you know what? If you seen that video, you can understand why. When that happens, the car dies. I mean, you're stuck dead in the road, and the battery's drained in about 30 seconds. It's insane. You just can't do anything. So anyway, the performance chip. Get back to the performance chip. I bought a performance chip for it. It's a Vertex performance chip. Right here, we're gonna say Vertex Tuner is what it's called. So let me read a little bit about this. It says, important. This product includes free expert technical support with diagrams and exact detailed instructions for your vehicle. It is 100% free and included with your purchase. Due to the nature of our installation process, you must open a support request at this place. It doesn't say that you have to open a support request to get this stuff, but I went to that website and I opened up a support request, and I didn't see any diagrams or detailed drawings or anything. Anyway, so I'm going to put that as a strike one on their part. Okay, that's the only thing I have. Other than that, it's pretty easy. Just find your mass airflow sensor, and you hook it up to that. There's a yellow wire with a little black stripe on it, and a brown wire, negative. You hook it up to that, and they give you all the connections to do it. I mean, it's really easy. I take you through the process, but I'm not going to insult you guys by making you sit through something like that. But anyway, now that I have it in my car, I took it for a little spin. I don't really notice a whole lot of difference. I mean, there may be a little bit of a performance upgrade from from the 20-mile-an-hour range to the 90-mile-an-hour range up in there. Not that I'd go over 55 mile an hour, of course, but the somewhere in there, I would assume that it would go up that well. And so anyway, it also says that it looks like you have to probably leave it in the car for about 100 miles or so for 2 full tanks of gas, it says. So that's about 500 miles, this bad boy. So about 500 miles, they want you to put 2 full tanks of gas through it. And then if you not notice any difference, to give them an email. So anyway, I think I'll do that. And I'll tell you what I will do with you guys. I will get back to you. Actually, what I was going to do, I'll tell you what, midway I'll do another quick update on it halfway through it. So how about the next tank of gas we fill it up with? I'll do a little video update. Anyway, thanks a lot, you guys. You have a nice day. Thanks.